How to create plenty of fish accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Giants. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a plenty of fish account. So go ahead and open up your web browser. At the top search bar, just type in POF.com. Once you do so, tap on sign up. You type in your first name. Tap onto your gender. And now pick what best fits you. Enter your birth month, your date, and the year that you were born. Enter the country that you live in. Select the city or province. Once you do so, tap on to next. Then at this box, enter your email address. Once done, tap on to next. Now create yourself a username. Then tap on to next. Then tap on let's go. Now tell us what you are into. If you are into men, just tap onto men. If you are into everybody, tap onto everyone. And likewise, it will ask you for all your personal details. All you have to do is fill them up and tap onto next. And once you fill out all these information, enter your phone number and they will send you a code. Just like so, this is how you set up your account for plenty of fish. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.